This is September 26th, 2021. It's John Nelson. I'm getting ready to expand my little homemade CNC machine here. I'm getting ready to expand the X direction by about 4 inches. Right now my spindle won't reach the extreme left and right of the T-slot table here. What I'm getting ready to do is the two blocks here on the side, this one and that one, are now 2 inches wide each, and I'm going to be replacing those with 4-inch wide blocks. So I'll pick up an extra 2 inches on each side that way. And in order to do that, the vertical pieces then up here at the top have to be 4 inches apart further. So I'm replacing the rails, the supported rails there that you see, with longer ones, and I'm replacing the ball screw with a longer one, and the 1-inch thick aluminum plate that's 6 inches tall on the back there is getting replaced from 14 to 18 inches wide. And that should allow me to add 2 inches to each side. I'm reaching the edges of the table there. I've got the piece for the back plate, that 1-inch thick plate. I've got the material for the two blocks there, but I need to, each one is 6 inches deep. I have a 12-inch piece that needs to be cut down across the middle. I don't have that lined up yet, how to get that done. Once I change things, the ball screw will be a little bit longer, and I'll need to remount its motor over here on the side. I can space it out or bring it in closer to accommodate the length of that screw. I think that's everything I need to do. I need to basically widen up that top part. I'm not going to be actually changing the table or anything on the y-axis there. The y-axis is the one that moves now. I have a special adapter on the spindle there to set it off to the side. That's just a temporary thing I'm going to try. Don't know if I'll keep that or not. I have some little IKEA lights there. That's the gold units there, LED lights. The rails are 16 millimeters. The ball screws are 16.05 type ball screws. I have those materials over here beside the computer, and I'll need to re-drill all that mounting on this 1-inch plate over here, but that's yet to be done. So that's about 4 minutes, and try to keep up with changes here as they occur. Bye for now.